This is just the worst makeup look I've ever done. Hello everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup tutorial. Finally, I haven't done one in ages, like an actual sit down talk through, I guess. But obviously I put my base and eyebrows on off camera. I know that annoys the heck out of some people, but I did it and I can't take it back, so I apologise. My skin looks terrible with this foundation right now. It's very patchy, so if I do end up zooming you guys in, I apologise for how bad it actually looks. So today's tutorial is going to be on the look I wore in my haul video. Ebony actually wanted me to do a tutorial on this, so Ebony, this is for you. The only palette we're going to be using today is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I literally only used the orange and the yellow out of this shade. I'm not going to put lashes on today just because I feel like my eyes are really sensitive today. I don't know why. But I'm obviously going to do contour and highlight on camera for you guys as well. I just did my foundation and set it off camera, plus my eyebrows, which look really good today, I might add. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to be using the Zulu palette. I love this. I haven't used... Whoa, okay. I haven't used as much as I want to, but if you guys want specific looks with like these colours and such, please let me know because I will definitely do that. So I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit so you can get all this crusty ass foundation looking skin on your screens. So this looks terrible. Woo. So basically, when I did this look, I was in a rush kind of, so I didn't really do a transition colour. I went straight in with the orange. I'm going to use my normal transition brush that I usually use and just slightly start with the orange and then build it up with the crease brush. This is what the palette looks like if you haven't seen it. This is the colours we'll be using, literally just these two. I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of this orange. Obviously, if you try Juvia's Place, their products are very, very pigmented, so less is more in this situation. So I'm just going to put this in my crease just slightly. I love orange and yellow on blue-eyed gals or boys. I love oranges, as you could probably tell because I've done a lot of tutorials with orange eyeshadows in the past. So I'm just going to bring this up just a little bit, not too high, because I've realised that I bring my eyeshadow up very, very high. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye real quick. Wow, my skin is so bad. Like, what is happening? I don't know. That looks good. Okay. So now I'm going to grab a crease brush. It is stained purple because of the look I did for the girls' grad, so ignore that. But I'm going to grab some more of this orange. Now remember when I actually did this look, obviously I didn't film it because I was in a rush and wanted to film a haul. But the yellow didn't come up very well because I'm pretty sure I put orange on my lid. So I'm trying to ignore the lid. You could obviously put concealer down, but I didn't bring any and I can't bother getting up and going and get concealer. So we're just going to not do that. So now I'm going to go in with the yellow. I'm going to use a flat shade brush. I'm going to use a little bit of setting spray. So I'm going to obviously just spritz it with a bit of Urban Decay All-Nighter. And I'm going to grab that yellow. Oh, that looks good. And just put it on my lid. What is this hair doing? Okay. So now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. I did recently find an eyeliner pen. This is by Ciate London. This is the Fierce Flicks eyeliner pen. We're going to do some wing. We're going to do some wing action. I'm really scared. And if it F's up, it's not my fault. What? This shit is so hard to open. Every time I use it, I need to use my teeth. Oh my god. So I'm going to do like a kind of semi-small wing, but semi-large. Like, I don't know, whatever it does, I'm gonna do it, so whatever. Holy shit. Yeah.
Pretty sweet, burn it down.
Jesus. So I low-key think I've already screwed this up. Can I just leave it with one eye done? Like I don't even want to try doing the other one. So close up, that looks terrible. This tutorial is going extremely wrong. Let's do the other eye, hope for the best. Wowza, wowza, wow. I'm really hungry. Okay, whatever. I kind of give up at this point. This is just a fail of a tutorial. The only good thing about this whole look is the eyebrows. Let's be real. All the beauty gurus are quaking because I'm coming for you with this terrible ass look. So, okay, so we're going to do some lashes. Not that that's going to save anything. I'm putting my Too Faced Better Than Sex because that looks like utter shit. Let's see if the face turns out any better, shall we? For bronzer, blush and contour, I'm going to be using the same Smashbox palette. I just almost smacked myself in the face with it. This is the Smashbox Draw In Decked Out Sculpting Cheek Palette. Great, so now I'm going to bronze. Oh, ew, what the fudge is happening? I give up. Like at this point in time, I'm just thinking of moving to Mexico, you know, starting a food truck business and just changing my name and my appearance and never showing myself here ever again. Let's do some highlighter. Again, setting spray. Whew, that's cold. So I'm using the Platinum Skin Frost palette by J-Star, obviously, because it's my favourite. What colour do I use? I'm going to use Pink Chill, which is obviously here, and it's obviously a pink undertone. Okay, whatever the frick heck that was. Woo! Hello? What is that? Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, next. So I'm going to use some blush again from the Smashbox palette. So I'm using Yes Queen. So now for lips, I don't remember what lipstick I actually wore in the video, so sue me. But I was going to line my lips because I wanted it perfect, but this whole look is not perfect, so I'm just going to go straight to the lip colour. I'm doing purple, lilac, whatever you want to call it. This is the Jeffree Star Self-Control lipstick from his Love Sick collection, which was Valentine's Day, I believe. I haven't worn this. Shocker. That's actually a really nice colour. Okay, well, this looks like shit. I don't know what happened. This is my really bad look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stuck with it till the end and you liked my misery throughout this video, I hope you enjoyed it. I look terrible. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm not going to say that you should like this video because you shouldn't, because it's shit. But if you thought it was shit, give it a thumbs up. Thanks. All my social media links and all the products I used today will be in the description box down below, like always. All my social media links are down there as well. I promise I sometimes do better makeup than this. Okay, remember to spread love and stay positive. I love you. I'm so sorry. Okay, I apologize. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.